Hello guys, and welcome to Test and Review channel again. Today we have a new product in our office and we're gonna do unboxing and a quick overview of this Razer product. But before we proceed with the unboxing, let me just remind you to subscribe to our channel, and of course if you like this video just give it a thumbs up. Of course, if you have any comments about the product, any recommendations for us, please put it in the comments below. I will highly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing of this product. Actually, I just got this today. I haven't done any research on this Razer mouse. It's the DeathAdder Essential, or however you pronounce that. They have these fancy names that sometimes I don't get. Probably it's just me, or they're just a bit strange, but that is the name of this Razer mouse. And now let's proceed and unbox this product. From what I see, it is sealed right here. Let me just slice this in order to open it. Of course, whenever you're using a knife, be careful. That's what I will advise you always. Don't be in a rush to open your new product. There's always time. I'm worried that while I'm saying this, I will cut myself badly. It is done extremely bad from what I see. In order to open it, I've already damaged the package, but I don't care. Good job, Razer, for packing this mouse that nobody will be able to open it. But finally I got it open in a strange manner, and now let's see what is inside. Oh, this is the moment of truth. Here is the mouse, and as you can see, there's nothing else in the box. Let's put it on the side for a while. So let's see what this mouse is all about before we continue with the unboxing. So it has a classic ergonomic shape, true 6400 dpi optical sensor, and 5 programmable buttons. And on the back it has some more information: multi-award winning technology and proven history of performance, blah blah blah, all that kind of crap. I'm gonna skip it. The typical black and green Razer packaging, nicely packaged, nice box. And now let's see what else is inside. Let me just put this on the side. We have some manual and the Razer logo. You can just take this and put it anywhere in the mouse. I wouldn't do that, or actually as shown here, probably on top, I don't know, or somewhere else, but probably I will never use it. And some basic instructions how to use a mouse in 2021. I'm sure most of you will never read a letter from this book. Now let's check the mouse itself. How does it open? I'm not sure. As I told you, it's the first time I open the box and it seems tricky. Okay, so here is the cable. It's not a wireless mouse, for those of you who still think that this is a wireless mouse. No, it isn't. And now let's take out the mouse, the DeathAdder Essential. Here is the mouse. Let's see how long this cable actually is. It looks pretty long or long enough, and there is a cap on the USB, nicely done by Razer. Looks nice, but it's a waste of material, I would say. And yeah, the cable is pretty long. It's not just a laptop mouse, it's long enough for a proper desktop, so it would reach your desktop box or computer if it is a longer distance. Let me see if it says how long actually this is. I'm not sure if this is mentioned in the package. Nowhere here and here. Not sure. 2-year limited warranty. Okay, so I don't see it at first hand, but I'll check and I'll put it in the description and in the full review that you can check as well in the link in the description. We will post full review of this product with the specifications and as well our comments about it, first impressions. Now let's take a closer look at it. So you have two big buttons on the side. The scroll button, let me see, it's quite quiet, and the two main buttons left and right. And now let's hear the clicks from this mouse and judge if it is loud or quiet. Right click, left click, right click again, left click, and now side buttons. And now the middle scroll button. This seems to be the quietest button of all 5 buttons on this mouse. Other than that, it's averagely sounding mouse. It's not very quiet, it's not very loud. So this is an essential model from Razer, priced at around $35–40, depends on your location, or around 30–35 euros in the European Union if you are from Europe. And this is the bottom part of the mouse. Hopefully it focuses well on my camera. If it doesn't, I'll post some high quality images at testproductreview.com. Find the link in the description and you can see how this mouse looks like. And yeah, other additional information. I will test it today and see what are my first impressions. Hopefully I will be glad, but other than that, it fits nicely in the hand. It has a comfortable grip. I have an average sized man hand and I believe it will be comfortable for most of you, but let me just test it for over 2–3 hours of use and see how it will perform for a longer run, in the long run. This my comment I will put in the review that I mentioned earlier. And this is about it for this unboxing video for this cable mouse. For now I'm gonna keep this mouse for personal use. I'll see if I will stick using it. I have other Razer mouse as well which I'm using on daily basis, and I'll see if this will fit one of our desktop machines and if it is comfortable enough for a full day of use. But if you have some experience with this or any other Razer mouse, I'll be happy to hear your comments in the description below. In the comments below, of course, not in the description. And soon we'll have another unboxing and review, so I hope you will subscribe, and I hope I'll see you later very soon. Thank you for visiting and bye bye for now.